Speaking exclusively to NNIS today, CPI leader D. Raja condemned the threat letter to a judge who had rejected the last petition of 1993 Mumbai blast convict Yaqub Memon against his hanging. D. Raja also said India will not be threatened by fugitive Tiger Memon's phone call to his mother in which he spoke about avenging his brother Yaqub's death.
We strongly condemn such anonymous threats given to our Supreme Court judge. One may be critical of the judgment. Anyone, any citizen can be critical of judgment given by courts, whether it is Supreme Court or lower court. One can be critical of judgment, but one cannot take it at personal level and issue threats to the judges, and it is highly condemnable. And I hope the Home Ministry might have already done, or Home Ministry will have to order a serious inquiry into the matter while providing adequate security to the judge. This all just to threaten India, but India is a nation which cannot be cowed down like that or succumb to such pressures coming from such individuals. India has all capacity and has power to stand up and take on these terror groups and the terror. Despite all these things, India should demonstrate its greatness and its power to carry on the dialogue process with Pakistan, and all problems will have to be resolved bilaterally through dialogue. Suspending 25 members in one go has further worsened the situation. Instead of helping to find a solution to break the logjam, it has worsened the situation. Now, if Parliament doesn't work, government must be held responsible for that. No point in blaming parties in opposition. She has said something outside, now she is telling something inside. Both are contradictory, at the same time confessional. She could not deny she has not helped. She has given help. How, why, these are all matters for inquiry and discussion. But whatever she has said, it is contradictory, at the same time it is confessional one. She has helped Lalit Modi and his family.
Powered by NNIS.